Hey everyone, this is Caleb here from CampLife, and I'm super excited to announce that as of this past week, CampLife has officially released mobile check-in. Now, mobile check-in allows your guests to check in directly from their smartphone using either cell service or park Wi-Fi, whatever happens to be the most reliable in your area. And your guests will be receiving confirmation emails through the week leading up to their stay. And some reminder emails too. All those emails will include a handy little "I'm here, check me in" button. And as customers click that button, follow through the process, that will take them through the process of checking in, and it will also give them directions directly to their site. So you don't have to worry about campers, getting lost trying to find their specific site among all the sites in your campground. Now, for campers that made a booking a while back and didn't have that mobile check-in link option, there is an option for you to print out a report from the Reports tab. So go ahead and print that out, post it in a highly visible place. That will have a QR code and a URL link. When customers arrive, they can either scan that QR code or type in that URL link to their phone's browser, and that will allow them to, after entering their confirmation number, go through the same process to check in that anybody with a mobile check-in link would go through. So if this sounds like a feature that you would like to implement for your park and you're an existing CampLife customer already, then please visit the training videos page in Hub. There is a mobile check-in training video there that will walk you through the process of setting this up for your park. Also, underneath this announcement video, you'll find a list of tips that will help you to maximize this feature for your unique parks needs as well. If you're new to CampLife and you want to learn more about this feature or other features, we would welcome that. And you're invited to check out our website at getcamplife.com. And there you'll have the opportunity to chat with our customer success coaches as well. Thanks, and stay well.